Hello student, today we are going to discuss about the geography paper first, that is 301 environmental geography. In this paper we have to discuss about unit number 2. The title of unit number 2 is Man and Environment Relationship. This unit includes two topics: A. Major environmental dilemmas, and B is human environmental relationship. In the A topic, we have to study El Nino imbalance and pollution concept. About the El Nino imbalance, it is necessary to know what is the El Nino. El Nino is a ocean current. It is a surface warm current known as El Nino current, and it is one of the dilemmas. The word dilemma means a difficult, perplexing situation. It means dilemmas is related to confusing situation, and as far as the environmental situations are concerned, here we have to study El Nino imbalance and pollution concept. About the El Nino imbalance, here we have to say like a surface warm current known as El Nino current. El Nino is considered as a weather event or phenomenon. The southward shifting of the counter equatorial warm current during southern winter gives birth to El Nino current. El Nino is the term that was applied by Peruvian fishermen to a period of reduced fish catch due to rise in sea surface temperature of the coast of Ecuador and Peru. El Nino is considered as a weather event or phenomenon. El Nino has been related to the increase of temperature of Peruvian coast of Pacific Ocean. The change in ocean conditions disrupt weather patterns and marine fisheries along the west coast of Americas. During an El Nino event, the surface waters in the central and eastern Pacific Ocean become significantly warmer than usual. That change is intimately tied to the atmosphere and to the winds blowing over the vast Pacific. It also reduces the upwelling of cooler nutrient rich water from the deep shutting down or reversing ocean currents along the equator and along the west coast of South and Central America. The circulation of the air of the tropical Pacific Ocean responds to the tremendous redistribution of ocean heat. The typically strong higher pressure system of the Eastern Pacific Ocean weaken. Thus, changing the balance of atmospheric pressure across the eastern, central, and western Pacific, while eastern winds tend to be dry and steady. Pacific westerlies tend to come in bursts of warmer moisture air. Then climate change impact and vulnerability. During El Nino, the cycle of upwelling is disturbed, causing ecological balance to be disturbed. Marine environment of Australia is at a risk from changes to ocean temperature, salinity, sea level, circulation, pH, and from changes in atmospheric radiation and climatic extreme event. The the differing physiological tolerance, changes in marine species distribution and community structure. During El Nino, the cycle of upwelling is disturbed, causing ecological balance to be disturbed. Uh, El Nino also affects the monsoon in the Indian Ocean, and summer monsoon is weakened. The second topic of this unit is pollution concept. Environmental pollution means lowering of environmental quality at a local scale exclusively by human activities. Environmental pollution means defilement. The concept of environment is very complex and comprehensive. Environmental pollution means lowering of environmental quality at a local scale caused by human activities. For normal and healthy living, a conducive environment is required by all the living beings, including human, livestock, plants, microorganisms, and the wildlife. The favorable, unpolluted environment has a specific composition. When this composition gets changed by addition of harmful substances, the environment is called polluted environment. The concept of environment is very complex and comprehensive. The word pollution is derived from the term pollutus, which means to make dirty. It is the defilement, means addition of unwanted substances in the environment, due to which the quality of an environment changes. It means the pollution of any medium, either air, water, land, and so on, is by the pollutants. If there is an addition of unwanted substances in the natural environment, the environment gets disturbed, and there is an unfavorable change in the environment, and such type of environment is called पोल्युटेड एन्व्हायरमेंट म्हणजे पर्यावरण प्रदूषित होण्यासाठी कोणत्याही प्रकारच्या दूषितकांचा ज्या माध्यमात शिरकाव होतो ते माध्यम दूषित बनते, त्याला प्रदूषण असं म्हटलं जातं. याचे अनेक उदाहरणं आहेत, जसं वॉटर पोल्युशन, एअर पोल्युशन, लँड पोल्युशन, नॉईज पोल्युशन, सॉलिड वेस्ट पोल्युशन अँड सो ऑन. The term pollution is inclusive of varied dimension. In simple word, environment is surrounding totality, both living and non-living. एन्व्हायरमेंट म्हणजे नेमकं काय? सराउंडिंग टोटॅलिटी, सभोवतालची परिस्थिती. आणि सभोवतालची परिस्थिती ही प्रामुख्याने दोन घटकांनी बनलेली आहे, एबायोटिक फॅक्टर्स आणि बायोटिक फॅक्टर्स. Pollution affects both developed and developing countries. Thus, it becomes essential to understand the phenomena of pollution of air, water, land, and so on. Industrial revolution, scientific explosion, urbanization, population explosion, etc. are root causes of pollution. प्रदूषित वातावरण किंवा पर्यावरण होण्यासाठी अनेक कारण आहेत. त्यामध्ये इंडस्ट्रियलायझेशन, पॉप्युलेशन एक्सप्लोजन, अर्बनायझेशन म्हणजे नागरीकरण, हे प्रमुख कारण आहेत. एन्व्हायरमेंटल पोल्युशन इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स फिनॉमिना. It is classified according to its causes, pollutants, materials, and media, in which it prevails and its nature. The sources of pollution. Pollution is mainly caused by human activities. मानवी क्रियांमुळेच मुख्यतः नैसर्गिक पर्यावरण हे दूषित होत असतं. तसं पाहिलं तर नैसर्गिकदृष्ट्या सुद्धा पर्यावरण हे दूषित होत जातं. उदाहरणार्थ व्हॉल्कॅनिक इरप्शन आणि इतर काही नैसर्गिक घटना. परंतु पोल्युशन इज मेनली कॉज्ड बाय ह्युमन ॲक्टिव्हिटीज हे जास्त कन्सिडर करण्यात आहे. Contamination of a biosphere of land, air, water. It is the pollution. The source of these contaminants are entitled as. आता हे जे काही कंटेमिनंट्स आहेत त्यांना प्रदूषणाचे कारणे किंवा उगम स्त्रोत, सोर्सेस असं म्हटलं गेलेलं आहे. आणि ते आहेत अँड दे आर द सोर्सेस ऑफ व्हेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ पोल्युशन, जसं इंडस्ट्रियलायझेशन, पॉप्युलेशन एक्सप्लोजन, अर्बनायझेशन, excessive use of chemical fertilizers in agriculture and so on are the major sources of pollution. The books are referred for these topics are like this: environmental geography, then environmental science, then environmental geography. Thank you.